Yes. So demonstration. Demonstration. What does demonstration mean? Demonstration means to show, to exhibit, to display,
to
but
present.
to present. Demonstration means to present. Okay. Yes. Now, you know the clipboard is very common. So I would like you to tell me. Do you know it or not?
Demo.
Demo. Yeah. Whenever you buy something new, then you know, like if you buy a new LED or say some new gadget, say any electronic gadget for that matter. Okay. Can you guess one?
Mixer.
Mixer grinder. I don't think anybody comes to give you a demo there. Like for example, you know, if you buy something new, a very complicated microwave, okay, they might come, or say vacuum cleaner for that matter. You know, something which has got, you know, like multifunctional machines, or say for where you require demo, so they come. Okay, demonstration. Demo. Now, you know, these days you have got combo offers in supermarkets, in big bazaars and all, or in big malls. You got combo offer. Well, this is free with this. So, combo, do you know, is a clip word. And what is the actual word?
Combination.
Combination. Good. Combination. Very right. What is intro? You have intro there in the universities, especially in the first year.
Yes, sir.
Intro. What is it?
Introduction.
Introduction. This is something, you know, like very usual, natural. This way you get, say, very frank with your seniors. So, introduction. The original word is introduction. Ragging is in fact not good. Okay, we condemn ragging thoroughly, and there shouldn't be any ragging in the campus. Okay. Now, you must have heard a lot about rehabilitation center, rehabilitation centers, rehabilitation. So, what is the clip word for this?
Rehab.
Rehab. Good. Rehab. So, we do not say rehabilitation center. We instead say rehab. Rehab. Okay. And say rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is again a very big word. But we do not say rhinoceros. Okay. I visited Sariska Sanctuary, or some other sanctuary for that matter, and I came across a very huge rhinoceros. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Tell me. I'm a little confused. O, I think.
OS.
OS. Rhinoceros. And we call it rhino. Rhino. And say, you know, age from 13 to 19 is called as teenage. So a teenager is called as a teen. He is in his teens. A teenager we call teen. And the public house. Public houses have been very, very popular in England, I must say. They were there in, say, during Elizabeth's time also. Queen Elizabeth I'm talking about. They are called as pubs. Public houses. Okay. Jaguar, you know. Jaguar is a nice car brand, and even say sanitary items also you have of Jaguar. What do we call them? I mean, what is the clip form? Just this is the clip form, Jag. Okay, I have got Jag sanitary fitted in my washroom. They would say So jack. So what kind of clipping is it? Yes,
Back clipping.
back clipping. This is an example of back clipping because you have clipped the back part. Okay. Now, although we do not call it television, and we do sometimes, we say TV. We never say LED. We don't talk about LED. We still call it television. We still call it TV, and some of us or some of you even call it telly. Okay. Please switch on the telly. Okay. Let me watch the newscast there on the telly. Just switch it on. Telly. So telly is a common clipped word. And for university, though we always say university only, but when you write, you may even write uni. Uni is a clipped word. It's a common clipped word for university. So this way, what are you doing? You are improving this. When we do word formation, okay, and in your childhood, in your primary classes or say junior classes, I'm sure you must have done word building as well. You must have played with your friends word building. Have you not?
Yes.
Yes.
Must have. So this increases your vocab. What does it do? It increases your vocab. And what is vocab? Vocab is in fact a clipped word. The original word is vocabulary. What kind of clipping is it?
Back clipping.
Back clipping, because you are retaining the front part and you are clipping the second part of it. So you call it vocabulary. So I think we had enough examples.
Yes.
Do you need more?
No, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So can we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.